Welcome to my tutorial on one-point perspective. We're going to take it very basic and draw just a few boxes in one-point perspective. I've started drawing a horizontal line across my page. This is going to be called the eye level or horizontal line. Sorry, broken lead. And like the name indicates, we're going to draw a point on the horizon line. So first thing I'm going to do is start by drawing two vertical lines. Now in one-point perspective, we draw vertical lines, horizontal lines, and then lines going to the vanishing point. So these are two vertical lines. I'm just going to use my ruler to keep my vertical lines parallel to each other, and they should be perpendicular to the horizon line. I'll go over the steps fairly quickly, but you can always pause and go back in your video just to reduce some of the size of this video. So now I've drawn two horizontal lines, right? And this box that we're going to stare at is the end of the box. So from my corners now, I'm going to continue and draw towards my vanishing point. Alright, so this is my vanishing point. I forgot to label it, sorry. And now this suggests this box is going to continue into, I guess, the horizon, or it keeps on going forever. So we're going to give a limitation so we actually see the edge of the box. So I'm trying to keep my line parallel, another vertical line, and now I'm just going to bold the box here. Anytime that you draw, you should always keep your lines light and then bold the actual object that you like to keep. This way you don't necessarily have to erase all your guidelines. So I got the face of the box and then the side of the box that goes into the distance. So as it gets smaller, it shrinks, and as it gets bigger, it appears bigger in our optical space that we're creating. Now to move forward, I'm going to draw another box, but instead of at eye level, which this example is, we're going to draw below. So an easy way to do so is to follow my vertical lines that I pre-established from the box in the first attempt. And now I'm going to make the second box below eye level, but this time there'll be a few changes. Now, again, I have started off with my sort of square. It could be a rectangular shape, doesn't have to necessarily be square. And I'm taking my corners just like I did before and drawing to the vanishing point. Just like that. So I'm moving the paper around. There we go. And to finish that off, again, I'm going to use a vertical line. I'll line it up with our first box. And the one change that you'll see is because it's below our eye level, we will see the top of our box. Now, if you want to use your imagination, this box could turn into a building, or these floating boxes could be steps of some sort. But basically, if you know how to draw in one-point perspective, anything in a box, you can draw a box. You can pretty much draw any shape or size, knowing that you can draw it within some type of structure like a box. So we're also going to do a box above our eye level, just to see the difference. It's pretty much a mirror image of this drawing right here. And just to show that you don't have to line it up perfectly, I'm going to draw, just offset it just a little bit. So two vertical lines and two horizontal lines as we started before. Very quickly. Then using my corners here, here, and here, we're going to draw towards the vanishing point once again. right, so very quick. Again, I'm just going to offset my top box. So with the vertical line, I'm going to prevent it from going on forever. And then the bottom line, this corner here, is a horizontal line. See how I made this front line parallel with the back line, which is important. And now I'm going to quickly bold my box. And we're pretty much done. There. So now you can see that I have a sort of a box above our eye level, which would indicate that we'd see below the box surface as well.